Hello, welcome to this video. Let's learn nested for loop in Python. Now we will write program to print star pattern using nested for loop. Here I will write for loop using range function. So outer for loop for I is the variable in and range is a function that will generate sequence, so to which I pass 0 comma 5. That means it will generate a sequence, sorry, 0 to 5 minus 1, so it will iterate over from 0 to 4 colon. Then on second line indentation must be there, that means I will leave one space. Then inner for loop for, then variable j in, again range function. That range function is from, again from 0 to I plus 1, because range function operate from second number minus 1, from 0 or first number to, that is starting, and stopping condition is always from minus 1. Again colon. Then I should have to leave two spaces because another statement come under inner for loop. So here I will put print, and I wanted to print star. So I will put star here. I will save this, and when I run this code, hmm, so it will print star in a single column. So I have to put print statement under outer for loop just to print empty. So when I put this and run this code, so again now it is printing 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, but it is in a single column. It should come in a single, everything should come in a row. So that is why in print of inner for loop, by using giving comma, I will use end, one more parameter end, equal to, where should it end? At the end, but empty space. So I will use like this, star comma end equal to empty space. Now I'll save this, and when run this, so it will print pattern single star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. That means here outer for loop where value of I will vary from 0 to 4. Initially value is 0. Then in inner for loop value of j will vary from 0 to I plus 1. That means 0 is the starting condition, and I plus 1, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0 to 0. So only one star get printed. Then value of I will become 1. Then in again in inner for loop it will change from 0 to 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 star get printed. Okay. So in this inner print, suppose instead of star, if I put value, that is I, value of I should get printed. So when if I save it and run this code, now it will print 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. That means the value of I get printed, which is changing from 0 to 4. So instead of I, again I will make changes. Suppose if I put J in this one, and if I run this code, now it is printing, that is value, it's changing 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means value of J changes from 0 to I plus 1. Okay, this is all about nested for loop. Now suppose we want to print pattern like this: A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. For this, let's make changes in the same program. We know 65 is ASCII value of A. So I will declare one variable I know number is equal to 65. And in inner for loop, suppose I'll print, I'll make ch is equal to chr, that is casting of no, that is number which is integer converted to character. And here instead of this I will use ch. And when I save this and run this program, it will print AAA. Instead of A, I want to print A, B, C like this. So here after this printing, I will do NO is equal to NO plus 1. So when I save this and run this program, it will print A, B, C, D, E, F, G in continuation. So what I'll do, better I will put this in the next outer for loop. Now it will print A, B, B, C, C, D, D, and E, E. Just note the changes. So this is all about printing pattern.